What's up, guys? It's Ian. Randomly deck. Just gonna check deck. No, wait. Dang it. It's cool. I made up this move. It's like caveman, but like it's cool, but classic Randy Mullen. Pop shove it. Impossible. Let me just try that. Takes me a couple tries. Impossible. Yep. I'm gonna pop shove it. Just like a few moves, I can just jump off here. It's kind of easy to do that. Just off the edge. That's easy. See, I just did a kickflip. Missed. Jumped off. It's kind of easy. Not really, if you're not like dedicated to it. Alright, now see this little jump thing? Just jump that. That's easy. I'll just try to. Yeah, let's see. I can usually do an impossible or something off it. Yeah, I just did an impossible. Pop shove it. Manual. Pop shove it. Impossible. Didn't nail it. Run him on. It's kind of easy. If you go to my school, you've probably seen me do like a lot of cooler tricks with my tech decks. I have 8 of them. It's fun. I just think it's kind of a fun hobby, but whatever. See you guys later. Peace.